Let's have to have a conversation on what someone bought you or you bought someone in Igbo using three simple structures. Number one, azụtara m gị dash. I bought you dash. Azụtara m gị ekwentị. I bought you a phone. Azụtara m gị ụgbọala. I bought you a car. Azụtara m gị nri. I bought you food. 2. Ị zụtara m dash. Did you buy me dash? Ị zụtara m dash. Ị zụtara m ekwentị. Did you buy me a phone? Ị zụtara m ụgbọala. Did you buy me a car? Ị zụtara m nri. Did you buy me food? And our final sentence is gịnị ka ị zụtara m? What did you buy me? Gịnị ka ị zụtara m? And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Azụtara m gị ekwentị, ụgbọala, nri, or anything you actually bought the person. Quick question. If someone said to you, ị zụtara m nri, how would you say, no, I did not buy you food? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.